Well, the first action when we need to make an oil change in this bike is to remove this plastic cap. So take any tool of your liking and gently push it to the left. The rest can be done by hand. So I made myself a canister to collect all the oil. You can use anything that you like. Under the bike you will see only one nut. You cannot miss it. It's that one in the center, and we are going to need a 70mm wrench tool. We place it carefully and unscrew always to the left. Just one turn is enough, and the rest can be done by hand. And be very carefully not to drop the nut and of course the oil. And yeah, I haven't been very carefully, so it fell inside the oil and now it's going to get dirty. Anyway, things like that can happen. And because of that, it's a good thing that you do the oil change only when your engine is cold, not with a hot engine, only cold. So now it's a wetting game and we wait until the oil is drained out. We can clean the mess we made around here. And that's it, the oil is drained out and we can wait for all the drops to fall off. I like to clean here because I'm in a little bit of hurry. It can be very tricky sometimes because you need to find a hole and you have no good vision down there. But it's not a big issue. So just a little bit screwing, a little bit more cleaning for all those drops that came out from the oil. And of course the rest can be done by hand. In the end we are going to use the same wrench tool and be careful for the edges. The wrench tool should be fitted exactly to the edge, just like that, and then you push it as necessary, not too much. You do not want to over tighten it. So the big question is, how much oil do we have to need here? The smart Japanese have printed this on the engine right under the cap, 850 ml. What is here necessary is to be careful because this is a 4-tact engine, so it needs to say 4T, not 2T. 2T is for the 2-tact engines. We open up unscrew its cap, and of course this is 1 liter. So we need to be careful. We're not going to put all the feet in it. We are going to put something like that. So let's put it inside. So this is what should be left. It's about 150 ml, I guess. 5 more, 5 less, it doesn't matter. And the last action is to put back the cap on, and this time we are not going to use any tool. We simply screw it by hand and that's it. The oil change is done.